Welcome back to Buried Brook, folks, and look, another Morgan. Oh, this one is particularly lovely, and let me show you why. So I think the overriders look particularly good. They obviously complement the chrome grille with the stone guard there. Look at that. Just looks really nice and clean on the front end of this car. As we go round, you can see that this has got stainless wire wheels. They really do make this car look absolutely amazing. You're about to see what makes this car extra special as we go around the side. Can you see? Can you notice? How many seats are in there? As we go around the rear, you've got the spare with a mohair cover embroidered with the modern wings as well, which looks really, really smart. You can see you've got the mohair hood in that same colour mulberry. Once again, are you counting the seats? Are you? How many's there? Yeah, so that's right, this is a +4 4-seater. Tell you what, let's have a look inside. Oh, look at that. Nice bit of wood there. The steering wheel looks absolutely fantastic. That wooden dash, some nice little bits. I'll talk about door checks in a bit. Door pockets, lock covers. They really add a little bit of class to this car. You've also got chassis rail covers, which you can't really see. Oh, look. Nice leather. Just the wood and leather go so well together. I don't know if you can see that centre column. Oh, that's nice. There you go. There's the back seats. So loads of room in the back there. They all have headrests. Don't worry, I've just taken one off because I just want to show you the rear and how you take that down. There you go. So press that down. That folds down. They're normally carpeted on the back, as you can see. And there you go. Luggage, friends. Just so much more room in these cars. Some of the other features that you might want to see is stuff like the radio, there's heated seats, there's a map light as well. There you go. You might notice the little lockbox. I'll talk about that and what that actually does as well in a second. But I'll tell you what, why don't we jump in this car and take it for a drive? Look at that, look. Isn't that great? Tend not to miss things like power steering and modern conveniences when you're driving a Morgan. When I'm driving a Morgan anyway. But I'll tell you what, that power steering makes a massive difference. It really does. I mean, look at that. It's so manoeuvrable. I'll tell you what, I'll take you down to a little car park that we use for some photos, which is only a short hop, skip and jump away from the dealership. And we'll do some parking manoeuvres. A lot of people don't like the traditional kind of drive. Obviously, with the traditional drive you get in a Morgan, there's no ABS, no power steering, no traction control, which we're all used to nowadays in modern cars. This one has power steering, which we do actually. It's an aftermarket service that we provide. It makes just slower driving so much easier. I've had people come back to us after they've had it done and been like, wow, this is amazing. It's absolutely changed how I use my Morgan now. So I'll tell you what, we'll just jump in here, which is our local. And look, there's loads of cars in here. Tractor in there. You know, look how tight this potentially is. Look how potholy it is as well. Look, we'll do a reverse park manoeuvre in one of these bays. Look at that. So easy. I can actually palm the steering wheel round if I need to. Make sure we get it in the lines. Look at that. That's so easy. Absolutely brilliant. Really is. I'll tell you what, this is a really tight entrance down the other end here, which is not nice in a normal Morgan. Look, you've got very little manoeuvrability here, especially to get back round to this left. Like that. How easy is that? If that's one reason to get power steering fitted, then excellent. Yes, it can be a little bit pricey, but well worth it. It means you can use your Morgan more often. Great. Let's get back to this car. So this is a 2013 Morgan Plus 4 4-seater. If you've been watching the video, you'll see you've got those extra 2 seats, which make a massive difference with the amount of bits and pieces that you can carry, including people if you really want to do that. Luggage. You could also have furry friends back there, as long as you restrain them properly. It's got about 20,000 miles on this car, so not a lot for a 2013. 2-litre GDI engine, reasonably pokey as well. Again, it just makes the usability of this car so much better. I really like this. It's got the lovely mulberry interior. Whee! Bumpy, bumpy. A lovely wooden steering wheel, which does actually feel great in this car. Nice wooden dash, and one of my favourite things actually about the 4-seaters is this wooden centre column that goes all the way through the centre of the car. I really, really like it. I think it looks really smart. Really does look smart. Some other nice bits and pieces on this car. You've got sun visors there, which make a difference, especially in the beautiful weather like we've got today. You've got a lockbox down in the passenger footwell. Traditional Morgans are sort of renowned for having a large, long footwell and very little storage. So having a lockbox down there makes it a little bit shorter, gives you somewhere secure to put your valuables if you happen to leave them in the car when you go away from it. And again, it shortens up that footwell for the passenger, gives them somewhere to rest their foot if they need it. There's also a map light in there, if you still use maps. And you've also got CD radio, so you can listen to some tunes with your friends while you're going down the country lanes. You know, you imagine yourself now, we could be going on a picnic down to Dawlish Warren, rolling your trousers up, having a paddle. Oh, what more could you ask for? Well, maybe a nice cold beer when you get down there. But imagine arriving in style in something like this. That'd be so good. And then tackling that horrendous car park that's down there with ease. Life's good. So yeah, this is a particularly nice car. It's also particularly lovely looking in the royal ivory. You've got obviously a full length red mohair hood to contrast against that royal ivory. Looks really nice. The side screens on this are matching in body colour actually, so they actually hide themselves quite nicely. Obviously side screens come off, so that's the driver and passenger, but also the rear ones as well. So it really does look nice. Spare tyre on the back with a mohair cover as well. Tell you what, there's another small car park down here. Let's have a see how packed it is, and we'll try and do a manoeuvre in there. To be nice, look, well, no, even if it is an electric car. Because you know, this is quite a tight turning. With ease. But look, another small entrance into this car park. Oh, just brilliant.
Why would you not want this car? I really don't know. It is just fantastic. Look at that. That's like a modern car. That is a luxury that we take for granted now with most modern cars. They do literally everything for us. Also sounds pretty cool. So picks up quite nicely, quite a peppy little engine. I do like the GDIs, they come alive after about 2,500 revs, they really do. Now, I know Morgans aren't about racing around, but don't forget they're still a sports car. So it's nice to, when you can, put your foot down, responsibly of course, and enjoy yourself. It's got the 5-speed box in this one here, out of MX-5. So again, nice bulletproof gearbox with lovely gear change. Really nice. You know, these are, this particular one is going to be one of the very last to be produced. It didn't make a huge amount of 4-seaters. So they are a little bit rarer. But they're still great fun to drive. They really are. You know, and why would you not want to share the journey with some friends, family, even children? As long as you got parents' consent, of course. Yeah, this is a lovely car. Really like this. I know when we first got this in, I really liked it anyway. Some other nice touches that I've probably touched on, or I will definitely touch on, are things like door checks. So door checks, in case you don't know what they are, and again, it's another thing that we take for granted in most cars. Just keep the door open, stop it from smacking you in the shins. That's the stainless steel gubbins that you get down there on the hinges. Also door pockets, so when you do want to read your map, you can keep it in those door pockets, or your Murray mints. This car's also got full tonneau cover. Full tonneaus make a massive difference, especially on a day like today. You could have your tonneau on if you're just on your own, so it cordons off the rest of the car. And rather than putting the roof up every time, you just put the tonneau on. Means that you tend not to get any water on the inside, but also makes it a little bit easier than putting the roof up. Yeah, this is a nice car. Probably said that once or twice now, but it really is. It just feels very different from any of the other Morgans that we've got in, actually. And that is the nice thing about Morgans, that they are individual. You know, I've got a lovely bright yellow one in at the time of shooting this video. It's not everyone's cup of tea. I think it looks absolutely superb. I probably should have turned the heated seat off as well, actually, on this, because my bottom is getting rather warm. Okay, so we're really getting close to getting back to base. So thanks for watching, if I haven't bored you so far. If this car interests you, or any of our cars interest you, please drop me a line. Pick up the phone, give me a chat, pop in and see me, more importantly. or drop me a line and give me an email. Don't forget, like and subscribe. It really makes a big difference. Lets me know if I'm doing anything wrong or right. Probably wrong. I know people don't necessarily like the music choice, but never mind. There we go. We'll do another reverse manoeuvre. Look, see if we can get it in the white lines this time. Volant. Lovely. Look at that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Have a good one, folks.